Today, we explore a silent, invisible world that exists all around us. A world of communication, perception, and community that closely concerns the spirituality and hidden life of our planet's oldest residents, the trees. You may not be aware of it, but the forest is having a constant conversation in a language that goes far beyond our human senses. In this video, we'll explore the extraordinary ways trees perceive and communicate. We aren't talking about senses in the human way, but about a complex system of perception that allows them to interact with their environment, warn their neighbors of danger, and even share resources, revealing an interconnected intelligence we are only just beginning to understand. First, trees talk through the air. When a tree is attacked by insects, it can release airborne chemicals called volatile organic compounds. This isn't a cry of pain, but a sophisticated warning signal. Nearby trees can detect these chemicals and begin to prime their own defenses, producing bitter-tasting compounds to make their leaves less appetizing to the invaders. Beneath our feet lies the forest's greatest secret, the wood wide web. Tree roots are interconnected by a vast underground network of fungi called a mycorrhizal network. Through this network, trees can share vital resources like water, nutrients, and carbon. Mother trees can even use it to nurture their saplings, sending them extra resources to help them grow in the shade of the canopy. Trees have a keen sense of danger. They don't just warn others, they have their own defense mechanisms. When a branch is broken or an animal starts chewing on their leaves, they can flood the area with defensive chemicals like tannins to deter the threat. This is a direct, calculated response to a physical attack. Trees are masters of perceiving light. They can sense not just the presence of light, but also its direction, intensity, and even its color spectrum. They can detect the shade cast by a neighboring tree and actively grow away from it to seek more direct sunlight. Similarly, their roots are not random. They can sense gradients of moisture in the soil, foraging for water with incredible precision. Perhaps most astonishingly, trees can remember. They hold a record of past events like droughts, fires, or pest attacks. This cellular memory allows them to react more quickly and effectively to similar stresses in the future. A tree that has survived a dry season will be better prepared to conserve water the next time conditions become harsh, a form of learned adaptation. So the next time you walk through a forest, remember that you are not alone. You are walking through a complex, communicating society. The trees are aware, sharing, and surviving together in a silent, beautiful dance of life, a language we can't hear but can certainly learn to respect.